Hey guys, now in today's video, I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how you're going to be able to install the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Screen Protector to keep your screen protected. 3 steps. So make sure you watch this entire video once and then install your screen protector. Now in the box, you're going to find everything you need to install your screen protector. And you're actually going to find 2 of them. So that's good. So in case you mess one up, you have a backup. But if you have 2 phones, all you have to do is buy 1 case or 1 kit and you'll be able to install 2. As you can see here, we have our screen protector and our screen protector both come included and both are nicely wrapped. I'd keep them wrapped until you need them. We have our dust removal stickers. We have a little jig that's used to align things. You have a cleaning cloth, and then you basically have a swiper that we're going to use. Now, this is really important. In order to get this installation dust-free, fans, air conditioning, everything off, if you can cover the vents in the area that you're going to be in to stop any kind of movement of air, that's what you want to do, and that's what we're going to do too. Now, step 1 in this process is to clean the screen and put the jig on. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, you do have an included little cloth that you have here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this cloth on the screen, make sure that it's free of any kind of fingerprints, any kind of facial oils, especially if you use the phone, and any kind of, again, grime that it could have. It's really important to have a dust-free screen because you don't want to have those little specks underneath the screen. Now, you're also going to use these little removal stickers just to go over the screen and make sure you've gotten any kind of specks that could be still on the screen as part of this process. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll just leave it on the screen while I put on the jig next. Now the jig does have 2 little plastic, I would say, protectors that you're going to remove. This helps you stick the jig to the very bottom of your phone. So we're going to grab the sides, not grab the screen, and I'm going to wipe it again once I'm done with this. And all you're going to do is you're going to place the jig right here on the side, on the bottom, so that it's flush right here on the bottom of the phone. And I'm going to flip this over and on the bottom of the phone itself. So we're going to flip this over like this so you can see. So it's on the bottom, flush, and also on this bottom. So on both bottoms, it needs to be flush. Now, once you have the jig in place, we're going to go on to step 2. And that's we're going to put the screen protector on the jig and also align it so that you have a perfect alignment when you use the squeegee. As you take a look at the screen protector, you're going to notice that there's a sticker here, which is going to be step 1, and then you're going to see a sticker over here, which is step 2. So you'll remove this little sticker. You don't want to touch that area because that's actually part of the screen protector that's going to stick on the screen. Now, we're going to put these 2 points where you see those holes are going to align right here on the screen protector. I'm going to inspect this one more time because I want to make sure that it's dust-free before I put this part down, and watch how this works. So step 1, remove that little plastic piece. We're going to place the screen protector right here on the bottom. Make sure it fits through those holes. You're not going to allow that portion to touch yet. And what you're going to do is you're going to look to make sure that at the very top here, your screen protector, my hand out of the way, basically aligns with your camera lens. You want to make sure that your lens is exposed. So again, when you look at this, I'm going to align it so that it's perfectly aligned, and then I'll go ahead and put my finger on that area that was exposed to make it stick. Okay, now that we're okay with the alignment, I put my finger here just to make sure that was stuck, and then you'll see how I've aligned the actual camera lens in this area. So now I'm good with this. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to lift this up, and when you lift this up, you're going to curl the blue film that's underneath out slightly, and you'll squeegee in one direction. But before I do this, I'm going to inspect one more time to make sure there's no dust, and I'll use my little stickers to make sure it's gone. Now watch how this is going to work. Lift it up, curl back, and you notice how this lifts right here, right? You're going to leave it just like this. You're going to take your screen squeegee, and you're going to squeegee in this direction. And as it's coming out, you'll notice that this is coming out this way. You'll continue to do this until the screen protector comes down. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to inspect it to make sure that there isn't any dust in the bottom because I still got a chance to fix it. Okay, so far everything looks great. So I'm just going to go ahead over it just to make sure it's nice in place, no bubbles, everything is nice and clean. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this side right here. I'm going to rotate it. It's going to be easier for me to go this way. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to double check again. All right, everything looks great. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to curl the actual film back so that that blue piece is showing on top. And then I'm going to start to squeegee this way. And you notice is as I'm doing this, the actual film continues to come down. I'm going to lift this up. Now, one of the things I could have done is I could have removed the jig. I just left it there, and now it's down. And inspect it one more time just to make sure it's clean. All right, very last step. is to remove this tab right here, and then we should have our screen protector installed without any dust at all. So there you have it, guys. Just 3 easy steps. All you got to do is make sure you get no dust in there, and everything is going to work perfectly. Check it out. Ooh, that's bright. Ooh, so bright. Hope this video helped you install the Samsung screen protector error-free. See you in the next video.